Hi there, Colin here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the WooCommerce subscriptions extension for Groundhogg. Once we're finished the installation, I'm then going to show you some funnels. So to get started, let's dive right in. I'm going to assume you've already installed Groundhogg and WooCommerce along with WooCommerce subscriptions, and you've also installed and activated the WooCommerce subscriptions extension for Groundhogg. So on my current instance, it'll look a little bit like this, and yours should be similar. To get started, we're first going to activate our license. To do that, we're going to come into Groundhogg and click Settings. When we're in the Groundhogg settings, we'll choose Subscriptions here on the top right. I'm then going to insert my license key, so I'm going to copy and paste that in. An important note here is always click Save Changes before you activate or deactivate a license, or if you change the license key. So once the license key is in place, I'm going to click Save Changes. And once it's been saved, I'm going to click Activate License. And we can see up here that the license has been activated for the WooCommerce subscriptions extension for Groundhogg. Now let's take a look at some funnels. Okay, so I've opened the funnel builder of Groundhogg, and remember we've activated the subscriptions extension for WooCommerce, so those benchmarks are now available to us. To see those benchmarks, I'm going to click Add Step, and you'll see a number of benchmarks have become available to us, including subscription created, renewed, trial ended, cancelled, and paused. I'm going to set up two funnels here, and the first one is going to be for when a subscription is created. So I'm going to click that benchmark now. You'll see it's been added in, and I'm also going to add in a step. And the action I'm going to take here is I'm going to apply a tag. I'm going to call this a monthly subscriber, because this will be applied to users that have activated a monthly subscription. So that tag is now in place. I'm going to move back into the subscription created. And as you can see, there's a number of options here for when this benchmark will run. It's currently set to any subscription, but I want to change that. So I'm going to do it for any of the following subscriptions. So I'm going to change that there and click Update in the top right corner. Always click Update to refresh the page if you toggle any of the options here. This is to ensure you can see the information to enter your products. So I've set up a number of products in my store. I have a consulting package which is yearly or one that is monthly. So this particular funnel is going to be for the monthly consulting package. I'm going to click that, click Update, and now I can activate this funnel, and this funnel will run only when the consulting package monthly, when that subscription is created, this funnel will run and the tag will be applied. Let's now create another funnel for subscription cancellations. Okay, so I've opened a new funnel builder, and to start I'm going to add a step, and in this particular step I'm going to choose a benchmark, and it's going to be when a subscription is cancelled. When this happens, I'm going to apply a tag. For example, let's say we want to apply a tag to follow up, so we're going to call it the follow up cancellation tag. So that tag is now in place. If I move back into the benchmark, I can choose when this particular benchmark is going to run. I'm going to choose this when any subscription is fully cancelled. I want to do this. I'm going to click Update. I'm now going to briefly explain what these various options are. When a subscription is fully cancelled, that means a subscription has been cancelled in full. When you cancel a subscription at the back end of WooCommerce, it can go into what's called a pending status. And this generally happens if a subscription is cancelled before the next renewal. So for example, if you renew at the end of each month, if you cancel a subscription mid-month, you still have a valid subscription until the end. So this benchmark will only run when it is fully cancelled. If you want to go into a pending cancellation, this is a better status for if you want to catch a user before the subscription is fully cancelled. For example, you want to offer them a discount, you want to try and encourage them to stay. So I would recommend the pending cancellation for those types of funnels. As before, if you wish, you can also choose for particular subscription products. So if I click that, for example, once again, remember to click Update to refresh. And let's say I only want this funnel to run for, say, when a yearly subscription product is fully cancelled, I would enter that and click Update. So that's a brief overview of the funnels that you can create with the WooCommerce subscription Groundhogg extension. Please let me know your thoughts. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact me, and also take a look at the documentation on our website. So that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching.